Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that manages the private channel. This ensures you can change visibility. Once signed in, open the profile menu and choose YouTube Studio to land directly where channel settings live. Make sure you check your permissions. Owners and managers have access to visibility controls. If you lack permission, request it now. Without it, you cannot proceed. Now that Studio is open and permissions are confirmed, move to the Channel Settings panel to update privacy. Within YouTube Studio, click Settings, then Channel, then Advanced Settings to expose visibility controls. This is where privacy is controlled. Once there, locate the Channel Visibility option, sometimes nested under Privacy or Audience, and choose Public or Unlisted depending on your intent. Make sure to click Save or Publish so the change propagates. After saving, refresh the channel page to confirm the update took effect. If you need to change individual uploads, navigate to Content and adjust each video's privacy settings accordingly. Once you save visibility, verify it immediately by viewing the channel in a new incognito window. This confirms public access. If you still see private status, clear your browser cache and cookies, then try again, because cached data often shows old state. Make sure there are no policy strikes or connected brand accounts blocking changes. These can prevent visibility updates. If problems persist after trying these steps and waiting a short propagation time, contact YouTube support or transfer ownership to resolve permission or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.